Welcome to our channel. When considering facial coding of public surveillance footage, what immediately comes to your mind? There are two main reasons why there is a need for this kind of coding: preventing the leakage of personal privacy and protecting the vulnerable like the interviewees in the documentary. Today, we will explore how to anonymize faces in public surveillance footage. Step 1. Import the video. Customize the video according to your requirements. Step 2. Click on the face button above. There are two modes: all faces and custom selection. You can manage the added effects on the left-hand side. Next, the video will demonstrate the custom selection mode. After AI automatically recognizes faces, select the ones you need to anonymize. You can click here to reselect, then choose the type, intensity, and size of the codes, or switch to stickers, or even add your own images. Step 3. After adjusting your output settings, click Apply to export the video. In addition to its blur faces, AVC Labs Video Enhancer AI is equally proficient in tagging tasks related to backgrounds, license plates, and moving objects. Feel free to download it.